Amid surging oil prices, the TSX Energy Index has gained nearly 62% in 2022. Suncor's stock, for one, has risen by over 244% in roughly 19 months since it fell to 15 apiece at one point in October. But besides Suncor, some junior oil stocks have also seen notable price growth in the last year. Let's glance at 5 TSXV stocks under $6 that investors can explore if they're looking into junior oil stocks. The first is Petro Towel. Petro Towel Corp produced over 8,960 barrels of oil per day in fiscal 21, noting a growth of 58% from the previous year. The TSXV Oil Company also reported a rise of 48% in sales year over year. Towel stock has swelled by nearly 198% in 12 months. Next is Reconnaissance Energy Africa. Reconnaissance Energy Africa is a small-cap oil company with petroleum licenses spanning about 8.5 million contiguous acres. The junior oil company recently extended its partnership with Namcor to buy half of its 10% carried participating stake in a petroleum exploration license of about 6.3 acres. Rico stock was almost 19% up from a 52-week low. However, the oil stock plunged by about 38% year over year. Next is CGX Energy. CGX has been exploring oil and gas resources in onshore and offshore Guyana since 1997. The junior energy company drilled 3 exploration wells on the Burbus block in onshore Guyana and 2 on the Corentine block offshore Guyana. Stocks of CGX Energy spiked by almost 46% in 12 months. And next is Africa Energy Corp. This energy company, as the name may indicate, has oil assets in South Africa and Namibia. AFE's stock climbed roughly 8% in the past month, and then on a year-to-date basis, the oil stock grew by over 18%. Africa Energy's return on equity stands at roughly 9%. And finally, Lucero Energy Corp. Petro Shale Incorporated changed its name to Lucero Energy on the 24th of May, and since the 26th, its stocks are trading under the ticker LOU. Lucero Energy recorded a net profit of $5.88 million in the first quarter compared to a loss of $44.42 a year ago. It also reduced its net debt to $121.09 million in the latest quarter compared to $318.28 the previous year. PSH's stock has galloped by nearly 232% in the last 52 weeks. Now that you're up to speed, hit that bell icon to stay ahead of the game. I'm Holly Shield for Kalkine Media.